Welcome to another Your University Minute on News Channel Nebraska. Brandon Aksamit, as always, joined by NU System President Dr. Jeff Gold, where Dr. Gold, you had a very special days a few weeks ago. You took over as president in July of this year, but it all became official recently. And when you had your investiture ceremony, you chose to have it at the state capitol building in Lincoln, Nebraska. Now, why was that location so special for you to signify the occasion?
Because that is the house of the people. And the message that we wanted to send, and I personally want to send, I'm here to serve the people of Nebraska. Not just the legislators, the courts, the governor's office, but all of the people of the state of Nebraska. And it was just an amazing, humbling experience for me to stand in the rotunda, to literally have the presidential medallion placed upon my shoulders, and to feel the full responsibility for leading this great university forward.
Now, as you took in the occasion, what came to mind as what's ahead for the university?
Well, certainly I reflected on the amazing 155-year legacy of this great university across every domain of academics, research, education, and of course in athletics. But we set the stage for building the future, to build a future workforce, to build the future economy of the state of Nebraska, and very importantly, to build the future citizens of the state of Nebraska to have fulfilled and fulfilling lives.
With your official installation ceremony behind you, what are your next steps?
Well, that's ceremonial, and we're now about the business of running the university and making sure that we don't miss a single opportunity to create success in the future.